Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the last video of our playlist. I will show you how we can use our created API in our daily uses. So friends, this is the small project that I created named as Sindhudurg e-rental booking system. In this system, we can book room as per our requirement. Okay, this project is not completed yet, but when I complete that project, I will definitely share the new video for that system, whole system. The main aim of our today's video is to show how we can use our created API in our daily uses. So let's start. So friends, here you can see I run the project and my project is successfully connected to the MySQL database. And as we click on this road, we will reach to our exact output. So first we are going to see our database schema. Okay, here you can see I have three tables in my project. First one is booking rooms and third one is users. In users, here you can see I have successfully logged in 4 users. First one is admin, and admin email ID is sawantrahul145@gmail.com, and all three are customer. That's role is user. Now we are going to create a new users and log in with that user ID. So click on the register button. Okay, first name, car, one, car, gmail.com. District take anyone. Okay, I'm taking ABC. Taluka is also ABC. Here is ABC. Okay, register. After we are going to log in. Okay, we are successfully logged in our system. Okay, also we will log in as admin in another browser. Okay, Sawantwadi. So friends, this is our admin panel where we can accept the request and handle all the registered user pending approval, active booking and total properties which are present in our project. Okay, this is the option for selecting the room for any taluka. So friends, here I use my actual API. Okay, here taluka, loading talukas. So if you see in my project, okay, the form was, okay, if I search on render, okay, here you can see I passes the link of my hosted API. Okay, here is Sindhudurg villages.onrender.com, same as for the talukas also. Here you can see talukas. This is for the talukas. So these two links I passes for the loading the talukas and villages. Okay, in output, here you select talukas. If I select Doda Margo and select any room, okay, Adari. If you want to see the rooms from Adari that are present for booking, and if we click on the search room, below that you can see how many rooms are available for the booking. Okay, if I click on the book now button, you can see this scenario for booking the room. Okay, here we just need to select any date. Okay, 2:30. Okay, after my booking time monthly or nightly. Okay, I select nightly, confirm booking. Okay, book successful. Okay, after refreshing that, you can anytime cancel your booking. Now I'm going to cancel my booking, writing anything in the reason. Okay, confirm cancellation. Okay, now this room is again ready for booking. So you can book now. Okay, these options for adding the new room. If you want to add the new room in your Sindhudurg district, you can add. Okay, I'm going to add. Okay, then Omkar, Omkar Bhavan. The building name is Omkar Bhavan. Then building number is 4. Okay, decide your price. Decide your price monthly. Okay, Sindhudurg is only one option for the district. Select taluka. Kankavli. Villages are loading. Okay, give any description. Any description. Use the file. So friends, as you see here, our room is not added because our request is reached to the admin, and when the admin will accept your request, then your room will be visible to the all users. So let's see the request in the admin panel. Okay, if we refresh our admin panel, here you can see the request is reached to the admin. Okay, if the admin click on the approve button, then the rooms is visible to the all users. If we admin rejects the request, then this room will not visible to the all users. Here you can see a register user 4, active booking 0, total properties are 4, and pending approval is 1. That means this request is pending. If we click on the approve button, now this is visible to the all users. Okay, here you can see Omkar Bhavan. Now anyone can book this room and cancel this. Also, you can see in the database, our room will be successfully added. Okay, if you see here Omkar Bhavan, the Omkar Bhavan entry is successfully added in our rooms table. Also, if you see users, our Omkar is successfully added in a users table. Okay, if we book any room, okay, select I-31, 2023 nightly. Okay, totally 23,000. Confirm booking successful. And now if we see the booking entry, okay, first one was cancelled, and now this is the confirm. If we cancel this booking, okay, reason of the cancellation, okay, confirm. And now if we see once again, you can see both are the cancel. Status is a cancel. Okay, so main aim is to show how we can use our API in our daily life. So friends, I use the API in this form for selecting the talukas and villages. Okay, these are for 8 talukas, and if we select any taluka, okay, Devgarh, and in Devgarh we have 2 rooms for the booking. So friends, this is my whole system where I used an API that's I created and hosted on Render. You can also make an API at your home and you can use in your system.